welcome back to Dirty Garage Mods. Today's video is not even really mower related so much, but it's more related to my shop. I spent all day cleaning up. It's not so much dirty garage so much anymore, but it's still a little filthy. But I just want to take you all around, kind of show you some of my projects and what I've been up to, and announce a couple things that's going to be changing here soon. So bear with me and I'll get back to you with it. So there it is, 67 Cub Cadet 124 with a 12.5 horse Kohler engine. Modifications that I did to it myself would be I'll just have to point it out. Anyways, modifications I did to this is put the winch on the front of it to actually pick up the blade up and down with no issue for when I'm pushing snow. Obviously the blade is off of it. Don't mind all this crap that's sitting in front of it. That's just storage stuff. Zoom out here. So anyways, not much to tell about that. I haven't done too many mods to it. It's pretty much factory. Other than that, take it back. So this part right back here, this little toolbox thing, and the winch, or not the winch, the trailer hitch and all that stuff was not my part of the build. It was on there when I bought it. And it turned out that this was actually used to pull and push cars in and out, as well as push snow out of a body shop a couple hours from where I live now. And but anyways, it serves a really good purpose. It's a solid running tractor. I've only done about $200 worth of work to it myself. I had to replace the shifter. It broke on me. It was actually stuck in reverse, and I had to drive it backwards to even park it back in the garage until I got new parts, which is actually used original equipment but used. I went ahead and replaced that. I replaced the air filter. I've done 2 oil changes and 4 spark plug changes on it. I'm actually getting ready to tear down the motor on it, but that's going to be a little bit down the road. So next project I'm going to show you here is my John Deere 111. The only thing I've done to this was so far is I've repainted the body. It had surface rust. I've repainted the wheels. The tires that are on it came on it. They're actually really good shape, and I'm debating on going ahead and finish it or just turn it into my off-road tractor. Sounds like a pretty good idea. If I do that, I'm going to go ahead and get the metal moon seat that is hard to find. However, I did find some on Amazon for $32, and yes, you can get them on eBay for $15. I don't have an eBay account, nor do I support using eBay, or as minimal as possible. But anyways, that's the deal with this tractor. It's on standby right now. This tractor right here is a 1998 yard machine built by MTD. It is a 21 horse twin cylinder engine with a 46-inch cutting deck. I'm not going to be doing any videos about this. This is something that I bought to fix up and resell. It's nothing special. So other than that, it's just a quick project to make some quick cash this week. So anyways, I'll take you on to the next part of my shop. What you see right here is a 12.5 horse IC Quiet engine. I bought this for $20 off of a guy out in about 20 miles from where I live. The motor, it does have compression. I haven't been able to get it started, but then again, I also need to be wired up and all that, and I just haven't had time. I was going to put this on my Willys Jeep mower build, but that project has been put off to the side for a little bit because this motor may actually go on the John Deere 111. I haven't decided yet. I'm not a fan of the 11 horse Briggs that's on there. It's a good motor, but I'm just not a fan of it. It's a little bit old for what I want to do. But anyways, yeah, this is a pretty good engine. I just got to get all the kinks worked out of it and switching everything over. That's going to happen here in another week or two also. Now, take you on over here. Now, what you see here is one of these plastic shelf things. I had this actually in my bedroom using it to keep my clothes on, but I decided to bring it out here in the garage. Realized that it would fit onto this cabinet here that I've had for years. So I went ahead and adapted it, so I got a spot to put all my paint and just oil and all that stuff. I know it looks cluttered, and same for over here, it looks cluttered, but believe it or not, I know where everything's at. And my workbench is nice and cleared off now, so pretty good little deal right there. I went through and I tried to clean everything best I can, so. Right here is, it's my Craftsman air compressor. It's a 20-gallon. The engine on it, an electric engine, is a 5-horse electric engine. I bought this at a yard sale for 30 bucks. Really good deal because I was checking around on eBay and Amazon. Well, eBay and Craigslist and stuff like that. I was finding them used anywhere from $75 to $150 a piece. So I thought, really good deal. My air compressor hose is a Goodyear air compressor hose, 25-footer. Not very long, but you know, I can drag the compressor wherever I need. I gotta fix the wheel on the compressor, but other than that, it ain't too bad. And then my workbench that you see here is just a workbench that I built last year to accommodate what the stuff I need to do. I got my drill press right over there. And then my bench grinder right there. Bench grinder is a Craftsman 6-inch, 1/3 horsepower. And it's pretty good. It does have lights on it. The lights aren't working right now. I gotta get new light bulbs for it. Pretty nice workbench. I need to go ahead and mount it, but I just use it the way it is. Also in that cabinet I showed you a while ago, that has a bunch of other power tools I use. So, and for my main toolbox, this is a US General Pro tool cart. It has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drawers, and then the open top. It's a mess right now. I gotta clean it up. I'm gonna be doing that tomorrow. I bought this at Arbor Freight along with the side piece that's up over there. Let's see, I'm pointing at it right there. Along with that side piece there, I bought it. It was a display. They were all out of them. The guy didn't want to sell it to me, but I told him if he didn't sell it to me, I was going to go elsewhere. So he basically knocked 40% off of the whole deal. Retail is right around, I think it was right around $230 altogether, but I ended up paying like $180 or $185, something like that. I can't remember the exact price, but I know I got a really good deal on it. So it's been a good toolbox. It comes with keys and all that. I'm able to lock it up when I need to, which is great because I don't trust everybody. So, but yeah, that's it for that. So anyways, the intro and the outro of these videos that you've been seeing lately was created by a guy named John. He's a buddy of mine. I won't mention his last name. They do have a channel, a YouTube channel. It's called FieldTestDummies. Has a capital F, capital T, and a capital D on there. I will link their channel in the description below if you guys want to go check it out. They show some really interesting stuff. Also, I will be sharing a new YouTube channel of mine called Keeping It Basic 101. If you type that in, you won't find it right now because I don't got it actually out in the public yet. But you're welcome to check that out when I do post it. I'll be sharing that stuff on Facebook and whatnot like that. It'll be linked to Patreon as well, so if you want to support that channel, you're more than welcome to do that. That channel, though, will not be mower related, vehicle related, really at all. I might throw 1 or 2 things in there every now and then, but pretty much it's just going to be like DIY projects and stuff like that. So, hit that like button, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.